Quick and easy. 5 chilla varieties for breakfast. Chilla, or chilla, is a delicious savory pancake from North India, light, nutritious, and easy to customize. These 5 versions are especially great when you want something fast, tasty, and wholesome. 1. Besan chilla, made with chickpea flour, water, and spices. This is the classic version. You can mix in chopped onions, chilies, or grated vegetables for color and flavor. It's high in plant-based protein and comes together in no time. 2. Moong dal chilla. This uses soaked and ground green gram moong dal instead of flour. It's naturally gluten-free, loaded with protein, and keeps you feeling full longer. Let it sit on the griddle until lightly golden and crisp. 3. Millet chilla. Choose millet flours like pearl millet or foxtail millet for this gluten-free option. Rich in fiber and nutrients, these chillas have an earthy taste and go well with yogurt or chutney. 4. Oats chilla, modern, fiber-rich twist. Oats or oats flour, combined with gram flour and spices, make a wholesome pancake. Add finely chopped veggies if you like. 5. Ragi chilla, made with ragi finger millet flour. This gluten-free option is a good source of calcium and dietary fiber. It has a mild earthy flavor and works well with chutney or yogurt.